Good
I'll
morning.
Good morning. So I am Tej Patel. I am a student of 12th grade from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gandhinagar, and today I am going to share a little bit knowledge with which I have about origami. So first of all, anyone from your side would like to share what their experience with origami is or what they think is origami? You can go ahead and turn on your mics or also write it in the chat.
Good morning, students. This side Vandana ma'am. If anyone would like to share anything, any experience which you had in the past in origami, you can please share with Tej sir so that sir can proceed. Okay.
Yes, that's very right. Like it's a Japanese paper art. Have anyone of you made anything with origami? Like I'm sure you might have made a paper plane or a paper boat, but ahead, like is someone interested in origami? Yup, we can create beautiful things with origami. That's very right. So, would anyone like to share anything, or should I proceed? I'll guess. Yeah, Ayush. It's been a long time. Like those were the starting workshops I did. So I will share a PPT so we can like go through what is origami and basics kya hai origami ke. So is my screen visible?
Tej sir, your screen is visible. It's quite clear.
Okay, cool. So uh, let's have a basic info about origami. So origami is a Japanese art which comes from two words. Oru, which means folding. It's the Japanese word for folding, and kami is Japanese word for paper. Like you might have folded a paper boat or a paper plane. It is origami because उसके अंदर आप कुछ भी कट या फिर glue नहीं करते. It's simply you start with a piece of paper and end with the same piece of paper. You do not remove anything from the paper. So those are the basic rules of origami कि आप कुछ glue, tape या फिर कट नहीं करते. Then origami is quite ancient art. Like paper was invented in around 100 AD, and उसके बाद जैसे paper spread हुआ throughout the world, so did the art of origami spread. So it's quite ancient art. You can see this is a comic strip from 1790s, and here you can see a origami figure called the origami crane. So you,
Tej, only your presentation is visible and your screen, like nothing others is visible. Like, are you sharing something else? Yeah, okay.
I'm
Can
sharing
you?
the presentation
Yeah,
itself.
yeah, okay. But the screen was not changing. And can you put it in the slideshow format?
Okay, yeah. Now is it visible?
You just proceed. I will let you know if there is some problem.
Okay, sure. So, like, there is a small story about origami and peace which I would like to share. So, there, the figure which I showed currently, the origami crane. So, that's actually a symbol of peace throughout the world. So,
Still,
it is
I think still Tej only the first screen is visible. For others, is yeah. Now it's okay.
okay. So, I will maybe show it in this view itself.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
So, there's a Japanese folklore that states that if you fold 1,000 cranes, uh, your wish comes true. So we all know about the devastating bombings that happened in Hiroshima, Nagasaki. So there was a small girl named Sadako Sasaki. So she was diagnosed with leukemia. So what she did was tried, she started folding 1,000 cranes for world peace. but she could finish only a partial amount from that. So from that time, origami cranes are looked up as a peace symbol throughout the world, and people send thousands of cranes to the Peace Memorial Park in Japan. So this was a small story, and I have actually folded the 1,000 cranes 2 times already, and I am currently working on the third third time I am creating another 1,000 cranes. So that was a small story I wanted to share. Now I guess we can start like what origami is currently. So here is an origami artist named Akira Yoshizawa. So he did something very important for the craft of origami. He gave a language for origami. Someone's mic is unmuted. If you would like to say anything, you can go ahead.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Is it the same for everyone? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Your
Sir, I can't hear you.
girl, I think it's a
It's
problem.
all for me.
Okay. So maybe you can check your connection issues, or the issue is from your side probably.
Yes, sir, now you are audible.
Okay, cool. So this is Akira Yoshiyama. He took origami to the next level. Like he folded some 50,000 models in his lifetime, and you can see the figures he made. Like you can see the realism that brings out in the chimpanzee or the fox over there. So he was a turning point in the origami art itself. This is the language he sort of provided to origami. So you can see that it's just some dots and dashes, and that show that how origami, like if I want to share my origami, document karna hai, like I have made a model but I would like to teach to someone, so I can simply give the diagrams and they can fold it. So yep, that's pretty much it for origami. I guess so we can start folding something. So I will just stop presenting. And do everyone of you have a piece of paper, like A4 paper with you currently, or I can give you a few
Yes,
minutes
sir.
to grab it?
Yes, sir, we have. Sir, give me a moment.
Okay, sure. Go ahead and bring a piece of paper. A4 paper works. I will switch my camera.
Sir, it is compulsory to take a colored sheet.
No, no, you can take any piece of paper. You can take a page from notebook itself.
Okay.
Yep, any paper works. Any rectangular piece of paper will do.
सर A4 साइज शीट लेनी है सर A4 साइज शीट लेनी है
कोई भी रेक्टेंगल चलेगा, like any rectangular piece of paper. नोटबुक से पेज फाड़ सकते हैं. Anything. So I guess we will start at 11:13. So I will just do a right hand test. Is this my right hand? Like flip नहीं है ना camera?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I guess we can start folding now. So first of all, we
Yes,
will
sir.
hold the paper vertically. in portrait mode and fold it in half. So you can simply match the edges and fold it in half. So origami is all about precision and how much sharp you make the creases. So the better perfection you have, the end model would be that good. So I just folded the paper in half, and we will again fold it in half in the same direction. So once एक बार ऐसे fold किया and you will be folding it in half again. So I guess everyone is doing it with me, right? Okay. So आप सबने like paper plane बनाया होगा. So this is a fold similar to the paper fold we do in paper plane. So what we will do is we will take the top right corner and fold it along this line. The line we just made by this fold. We will take the top right corner and folding along that fold. So you will see that it will make a triangle. And we will do the same thing from the other side also. So I will just repeat what we have done till now. And if anyone of you have doubt, you can absolutely turn on your mic and share. So we took a piece of paper and folded it in
Excuse me,
half.
sir.
Yeah.
I want to just know that we folded it half again and then open it, then fold it.
Yeah. So basically we folded it in half, then again folded it in half and then opened it up.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And then we took both of the corners and folded it along this line. Now you will notice that there are two sheets of paper in the base part, like base rectangle part. So what we will do is take only one of the sheet and align it with the fourth line again. So you will have a pointed arrow towards right. I'm not sure if it would be visible, but it's something like this. And we will do it from the other side as well. So once we have done this fold, what we will do is we will take this flap and we will move. Yep. So basically what we will do is we'll take this bottom flap and move it towards the top. So what it will do is it will lock this four folds that we have made. So simply we just move this flap towards the top. And now what we will do is we are essentially making a line from this top towards throughout the paper. So it's a line something like this, which is perpendicular to the base. I will show you how it will be done. So there are actually additional layers of paper over here. So it will help in folding the paper along the line. We will simply fold it in along that edge. So you will have a fold something like this. I will maybe show it with a pencil so it's visible. Yeah. So we have a fold like this, and we will make the same fold on the other side as well. So simply take that paper and fold it in along that edge. So as you can see, we have these two folds made with this. If everyone is done with till this step, they can maybe share a yes or something like that in the chat, so I know we can proceed. Is everyone done till here?
Sir, can you please tell again?
Okay, I will just share the last few steps. So we folded this two corners till along this fold as well. Then pulled up this flap towards the top and simply took this part and folded a line starting from the top point towards the bottom. You can see the fold line would be something as I have sketched with a pencil. So this is pretty much what we have done. And now let's proceed towards the next step. The next step is you grab your hand and put it in the pocket. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll go ahead. So basically you put your hand in the pocket that we have created just now and you open this up. We are simply taking it and opening it up. And remember the two fold lines we made? You can see those over here, this and this. So what we essentially need to do is, I need to bring this towards the top.
सर आपकी वीडियो स्टॉप हो जा रही है.
Okay, stuck. Just a second. Do let me know if we be stuck there. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I basically opened this flap and हमें ये दोनों जो lines है उनको pinch करके open लाना है. This is technically called as mountain fold. So हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि edges बना रहे हैं. So this and another edge over here.
So how have you done?
Okay, I'll just show again.
And again.
Yeah, sure. So हमने ये folds किए थे दोनों. So what we are doing is we are taking this and just pinching those lines. So उससे हमें ये sharp folds मिल जाएंगे.
Yes, sir. It is becoming like a rectangle.
Yep. So now we will do another step, which is I'll just show what we are going to do. So you see this diagonal over here. We need to make this diagonal in the fold form of a valley fold. So I'll show how we can do it. So you will basically take these 2 points, this one and this one, and bring them together. So that way you can make this triangle. And once we have made that triangle, you can see it is the same fold. I will show it again on the other side as well. So हमें क्या करना है? We need to make a line connecting this point and the corner. So हम simply इन दोनों edges को मिला देंगे and then pinch the line. So that way we will have these two triangular flaps, and these are these two lines. Okay, so once we are done with this, you can simply hold these two flaps pointing towards your right and then have a look at this part. So this is a trapezium, and what we need to do is we need to make this into a rectangle. So हमें क्या करना है? We will take this flap, this triangular flap, and fold it towards the left, and then you need to open this pocket and put this flap inside the pocket. So ये क्या कर रहे हैं हम कि basically इसको lock कर रहे हैं. So इस तरह से you will see that it gets locked and it will have a.
Sir, we have to do this both sides.
Yep, we are going to do this on the both sides. So same way on the other side as well. We will take this flap and put it inside this pocket.
Yes, sir. Now it is a square.
Yep. So what we have made here is a simple utility box. You can maybe make more of these and make a pen stand. या फिर अभी इसको single के जैसे भी use कर सकते हो. So this is something which you can essentially use in every day or can help you organize your table. So अगर सबका बन गया हो तो maybe you can turn on your camera and show what you have made. I'll just switch my camera.
Sir, this is mine.
Okay. Yep, you can turn on your cameras and show what you have made.
I am.
Okay, so how many of you were able to make this till the end? Okay, cool. So I guess we can go back to the. Okay, Saju made it. Cool. So is my screen visible again?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So now let's have a look at some categories of origami. Like what sort of things you can make out of it. So starting, there's action origami. So after making something, there's some particular action in the model. Like you might have made a flapping bird or a paper jumping frog. So that's action origami.
Sir,
Then
I
there's
have turned.
okay. Yeah.
Can I
So
show?
yeah, sure, sure. You can show your model. Yeah, I can see it turned out pretty well. Nice job. Yep, so I was on modular origami. Yeah. Yep, that I guess we can show all the models at the end of the session, so we can have a group photo. And yeah, I will go back to the presentation. So I was sharing what are some types of origami. So this is modular origami. So इसके अंदर you use more than one paper and then interlock them using some folds. Like हमने जैसे अभी box के लिए lock किया, we lock things together and make something. So इसके अंदर more than one paper are used, but it's joined without using any glue. Then there's wet folding. So wet folding is sort of more like abstract folding. So basically it's more like sculpting. You use water to soften the paper and then simply mold it to the desired shape. Someone's mic is unmuted, so if yeah. And then there's origami tessellations. So tessellations are basically patterns. Yes, ma'am.
Dear students, excuse me, Tej, but uh, dear students, please mute yourself. There should not be any kind of noises. Please, beta, it's a request. Yeah, you can continue, Tej.
Okay, sure. So tessellations are sort of mathematical patterns. So you can see the same patterns or tilings repeating. And then there's fractals. So fractals is also a mathematical term. It means that the same shape keeps on progressing and its size keeps increasing. So this is also a type of origami. And then there's basic origami. It's commonly referred as basic origami or pure land origami. So these are like the starting models which were made. And there comes the complex origami. So you can see that what sort of complexity we can reach. The blue ice king you can see over here is actually made from a single piece of paper without cutting or gluing. Or you can see the tarantula with 8 legs and 2 tentacles. That's also made from a single piece of paper without cutting. So I will show you some of the origami models which I have made so you can get a better idea of what is possible with origami. I'll just switch my camera. Yep, is my desk cam visible?
Yes.
Okay, just a
Yes,
second.
sir.
So I can start off with this model probably. This is an origami magic ball. So as you can see, it's an action model and it works something like this. You can see by adding some force, I have completely changed the
Sir,
mechanism.
this is adorable.
Thank you. So this is basically a single piece of paper, no cuts or glue, and this is used in medical science. Like जब you might know कि heart surgeries में stent used होता है. So this design of stent is actually inspired from this model. So what stent basically does is it goes through the veins like this, and then once it reaches the place where there is conjunction, like जहाँ पे there's blood clot, it opens up over there. So this is one of the origami models. Then I can show some of my recent creations. This is an origami tiger made from a single piece of paper. So the paper was black on one side and yellow on other side. That's why the tiger has black stripes. So this is
Sir,
something,
this is very beautiful.
and this is an origami frog I made. So you can see the amount of details we can capture with origami. You can see it has toes and it has like we can grab a few details, and all of this comes from maths. I will show you how maths applies over origami, but you can see that this is a temple in the Machu Picchu area. So this quite looks mathematical, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is also one of origami's creations. And then there's this spring. So this is just a paper. No mechanical thing is inside, but still paper itself can give this motion. So we
Yes,
can
sir.
see how different
Sir,
force.
this is looking like that. This is a magnet.
Yeah. So you can think of applications of it like that. This can be used as a hydraulic jack or something like that. So it's not just limited to paper. What I'm trying to share is you can have many applications of origami in the real world. I'll show modular origami. So So this is a Buckminster fullerene. You might have studied about it in 10th or 11th grade probably. It's an allotrope of carbon, or commonly referred to as C60. So this is made from around 200 pieces of paper, and they are joined without glue. And let me see if I have. Yeah, this is an origami flasher. So when NASA needed to send solar panels to space, solar panels are quite huge in surface area, but they need to be folded down to a very minimal space to sit inside the rocket. So they used
So
this
this is a
design.
rose now.
No, this is not like I will show what it does. So basically, it's folded. Solar panels are folded like this, and when they go up in space, they open something like this. So origami is used to send solar panels to space. So that's an application of origami which you can look about. And if you're interested, you can see more about this on the internet as well. And these are some origami tessellations. Like you can see that this hexagonal pattern seems to replicate itself throughout the layers. This is a tessellation. Then this tessellation has quite dynamics into it. You can see that it's quite flat when folded together, but once we have some space, it opens up to be quite flexible and takes up a space like a half hemisphere. This is the tessellations. So yeah, these are pretty much some things I have made.
So
And
the brown one is like hive.
yeah, that yep, you can say it looks like a beehive. So
Yes, sir.
these were some possibilities of origami. Like you can see that origami से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. Now I will just share my
So आपकी
screen back.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
Yeah, I will just share it.
Okay.
Okay. So just a second. So let's have some, like जैसे मैंने explain किया कुछ applications origami के while showing the models. I will show them some other applications which I use. So these are the solar panels I was referring to. You can see that how it looks in the space itself. And then it's used in healthcare as well. So if you look at this robot over here, you can see that there are tiny folds in it. So what it essentially does it, we ingest the robot and then through magnetic fields, we control it inside our body. So the amount of incisions or cuts we do while doing a surgery, it quite reduces. So this is an application of origami in healthcare department. And then it's used in our cars as well. So if you notice the airbags in our car, they are folded in very small space and they need to open up in a quick second when there's some accident happening. So it's used in airbags as well. Then there are robot muscles coming up with inspired from origami. So what benefit of origami is it's quite like its resources very available and it has no weight. Like this robot over here can lift up to 1,000 times its own weight. So that's quite an achievement for a robot. And then there's its applications in furniture designing. So you might have seen videos on Facebook of folding furniture, like a table that can fold into a bed or something like that. So उसके अंदर भी
Yes, sir.
origami use
I have
करते हैं.
seen this.
Yeah. So
Sir, but how is it folded like this?
so basically wood के अंदर hinges लगाते हैं. So wood is not like paper कि आप उसको easily fold कर सकते हो, flex कर सकते हो. So they
Yes,
take
sir.
pieces of wood और उसको hinge से join करते हैं. Like आपका डोर कैसे मूव कर सकता है. So same way there are lots of hinges in the furniture design. So yep, like future is all about compact spaces और कैसे आप बड़ी चीजों को you can make it in small space. फिर architectural design में भी uses है, जैसे there's this simple foldable dome, you can use it, and I can show an origami robot which I have made. So just a second. So like in my school, I had an ATL lab, so I 3D printed this mount of servo and I used the servo motor to make this robot. So you can see that it uses folds of origami to give rise to this movement. And I named it a snail robot because it quite mimics the motion of a snail.
Yes, sir.
So you can think of applications of origami like this as well. जैसे मार्स रोवर्स में जो रोबोट सेंड हुआ है, like its wheel use origami. So yep, and I'll again share my presentation. Yeah. So what are some benefits of origami? So maths and geometry, like there's a lot of maths and geometry going behind origami. जैसे हमने जब box बनाया, what we were doing was we were essentially matching up corners and edges, and those made different angles. आपने देखा right angle triangle बना. So you quite get understanding of maths and geometry by origami. Where origami helps in hand-eye coordination. जैसे when you were folding it, you needed precision. कि corner मिल रहा है या नहीं, and then your hands helped in making those folds without imperfections. Then you develop patience. Like there are some origami models which take up quite days to make or even months to make. So you gain patience while folding, and it boosts your creativity and imagination. So folding is quite like interesting. And here are just some of my photos where I'm sharing origami. So I went to this Uri region in Kashmir, and I taught origami to some students over there. And yep, before we end the session, I think we can make one more thing. So just grab one more paper and we can make something interesting.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yep. So is my desk cam visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So we are going to need a square piece of paper for the next model. So if you know how to make a square from rectangle, you can proceed, or I will share how to make a square. So what we will do is we will take one of the corners of the paper and then align it with one of the edges and simply fold it down. So this will give us a square piece of paper. So ये जो part है, this is additional paper. So we can cut it using a cutter or a scissor, or however you prefer to cut it. We don't need the bottom part. I'll just grab a cutter. So once you have a square piece of paper ready, you can make the model. So,
Sir, can you tell it again because I have a phone call.
okay. So I'll just show what we did. You have this rectangular piece of paper, right? So we'll essentially just fold the top corner into one edge and fold it down. और जो additional rectangle रहेगा नीचे, you cut it. you will get a square piece of paper. And we don't need this bottom part, so you can put it aside. And now let's start making the model. So what we will do
Thank
is,
you.
yeah, so we will fold the paper in half. Again, you can match the corners and edges to make it precise. Once we have folded it, simply open it up, and जैसे हम plane में करते हैं, we will do the same thing. Take the top two corners and align it to the central fold. So, taking the right corner and the left corner. Make sure to align it with the center line, so you will get a perfect point over the top, and make the folds a bit sharp. So now the next fold is, we need to fold this top corner towards down, but we are not aligning it with this fold. So what we'll do is, we will take the paper and push it a little bit downwards, like I'll just show with a pencil. So this is our line, right? So हमें इसके नीचे जाना है. So it's quite, you can approximately take 2 centimeters, or you can extend it towards the bottom. So you can see it's not exactly.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, could you please repeat again?
Yeah, sure. So basically हमें क्या करना है? We are not aligning it with this fold. We are taking it a bit more downwards. So I'll just show. So you can see कि ये line तो यहाँ पे है, but we have extended it towards the bottom, and this length you can take around 2 centimeters. So once you have done it, you can fold the top part, and now we will do one more fold. So basically अब क्या करेंगे, we will take this bottom edge, or like you just rotate the model and then take this bottom edge and align it with this line. So simply hold it and align it. I'll repeat it once again. So we took this fold, this line, and aligned it with this line. So you will see कि एक triangle extrudes outside, and you have a thick line over the top. Now hold it something like this, and we will make a book fold. So a book fold is, you simply take the right edge and align it with the central edge. So let's just take it and fold it. So we did this from the right side, and we will do it from the left side as well. So that way, you can see why this is called a book fold. It folds up like a book. Yeah, I will repeat it again. So we took the left edge and then aligned it with the central fold, and simply folded it in half. Or वैसे ही we did this from the other side. So this is a cupboard fold or a book fold. Or up, for the last steps, what we will do is, we will take these two bottom corners and make the plain fold, but this time we will need to make it
Video
towards this fold.
has stopped.
Just a second. Yep, I think so. It might have resumed. So basically, हम bottom two corners लेंगे, and we will fold them to this 1/4 mark. I'll show what we are doing. Simply you align it with the fold, and then do this from the other side as well. So you will have this irregular hexagon shape, and then we will again do the cupboard fold or the book fold. So we'll fold this back. So you have a rectangle like this, and then open it up to 90 degrees. So I will show how 90 degrees. These are two 90-degree angles if you look from the side view. So we will open it up like this. So has everyone followed till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we place this part, the paper where there is only one sheet, if you put it on the ground, you will see that it will take a full front flip. So this is a tumbling toy. So you can essentially figure out how there is weight on the top part. So it's giving rise to this motion. And if you feel anything, you can maybe change the width of this part. So it will help in this motion. So were every one of you able to make this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So I will just switch my camera and all of you can show what you have made. Yep, I can see that. It turned out pretty well, right? Anyone else would like to show? I will just share the steps for the model again. Just a second. I will quickly go through the model again. So we simply took a piece of paper and folded it in half. The top two corners, and we folded it till here like a plane, and then took the top corner and folded it a bit beyond this line, and then again took the top edge and folded it with this line. So it's basically like this, and then we took the left and right edges and folded it towards the center edge. And once we had it, the two folds which we made a corner fold with that fold. So we took the corner and aligned it with that fold and folded it. Same on the other side. And once we are done, we will do the book fold again. And this is the model made. So it's basically it's works like this. So were you all able to make it now? Okay, cool. So I'll just share the screen. So this was pretty much what I had for today's session, and you can connect with me at my email ID or my social media handles are by the name Tejo Origami. So yeah, if anyone would like to share anything, have some questions, you can definitely turn on your mic and share. I'll just stop presenting. Yeah.
Thank you for this interesting session, sir.
would anyone like to ask anything or have some comments, feedbacks regarding it, the session? Yeah, you can all turn on your cameras and show the model so we can have a group photo. Okay, so just take a screenshot. Yeah, so if anyone has questions, they can go ahead. Thank you all for having me and hope you all enjoyed the session.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I guess we can wind up the session. Dhruv sir.
Thank you, sir.
So yeah, I
Yes.
do have a YouTube channel, so I can share that link over here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so Tej, it was wonderful session. Thank you so much. And we will share this recording with Vanda ma'am so they can forward it to you also. And I would like to have whoever has attended the session give the attendance to Vanda ma'am so we can arrange your certificates and send it to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Dhruv sir, and thank you so much, Tej sir, that you have spared your valuable time and you have taught our kids the wonders of origami. And I assure you that our students have benefited from this session, and maybe they would like to come up with wonderful models with origami. And definitely, I would like to share the models which they will prepare. And thank you once again, Dhruv sir, that you have, in a very short span of time, you have arranged this session for our school. Thank you once again from our school, Salvan Girls. Thank you so much. Wonderful session, Tej. Wonderful.
Thank you very much, everyone. I'm glad you all liked the session.
So, Dhruv sir, I think we have come to an end to this session.
Yes. So it was a wonderful session, and we will like to arrange such session in future. So stay
Yeah.
connected, and we will help wherever we can.
Okay, thank you so much once again, Dhruv sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome all. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, sir.
I think students can lift.